Evergreen Home and Garden Showplace is more than a garden center. For over 67 years, we have been your escape. With so much going on in the world, let Evergreen be your local place where you can leave your concerns behind and embrace the joy of gardening with the green people. Whether you want to grow veggies or herbs, something with beautiful flowers, or to add value to your home, gardening is the best therapy. The self-care of planning, planting, and maintaining your personal garden space starts with Evergreen. Our friendly, knowledgeable staff is ready to share with you the stress relief that comes from growing your own plants. Whether you're an expert or just getting started, let us guide you to the right choices for your project. As one of the largest garden centers in East Tennessee, we're sure to have what you're looking for. With the highest quality plants at competitive prices, tools, lawn care, landscaping, outdoor living, and more, Evergreen is the only stop you'll need for your escape today. Evergreen, your local gardening therapy center, conveniently located at 1876 Moreland Drive in Colonial Heights.